Okay. Are you muddy yet? Don't hit her too hard, you're gonna get your phone muddy.
I don't think we're going anywhere.
Not really, you're gonna break it if you'd have probably come up, but you're taking the chance of breaking it. Told you it was bad, eh?
I'm fucked, I can't get out.
Didn't believe me, eh? It was bad? I thought you were through the worst part though, because I got stuck over there before. The only time I ever made it was going this way. Going the up. Mandy the winch.
No.
Down, I think. The one close to you. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa.
The other way.
It's up then.
You want this whole thing photo log or video logged or what? I said, do you want this all video logged or? Stop it now, bad scene.